is a powerful, high-performance programming language commonly used for system software, game development, and performance-critical applications. It offers low-level memory manipulation and high flexibility, making it a preferred choice for resource-intensive tasks. When comparing syntax and readability, it's important to understand that syntax refers to the structure and rules of a language, while readability focuses on how easily the language can be understood and interpreted. While syntax is essential for ensuring code is written correctly, readability is crucial for making the code understandable to others and for future maintenance. Performance differences refer to variations in the overall functionality and efficiency of a system or device, while speed differences pertain to the varying rates at which tasks are executed. Memory management is the process of controlling and coordinating computer memory, assigning portions called blocks to various running programs to optimize overall system performance. Libraries and ecosystems both house a diverse range of resources, each serving as a valuable repository of knowledge and support for the community. In a library, books, journals, and other materials offer information and entertainment, while an ecosystem provides a habitat for a variety of flora and fauna, each contributing to the overall balance and functioning of the environment. Community support and learning resources play a crucial role in enhancing knowledge and skills. They provide a platform for individuals to share experiences, troubleshoot problems, and collaborate on learning initiatives. Use cases and application scenarios refer to the practical and specific situations in which a product, service, or technology can be utilized to address particular needs or challenges. These scenarios illustrate the real-world value and relevance of the solution, providing insights into its functionality and benefits. When concluding your decision on the language for your project, consider factors such as the project requirements, team expertise, scalability, and community support. Take the time to weigh the pros and cons of each language to make an informed choice that aligns with your project goals.